Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Navadai. I myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today, this is our lecture number 13, and we are going to discuss question number 11 to 14 of exercise 13. So see, in question number 11, it is saying that there is a heap of block. It is saying that there is a heap of block, and Anil makes 28 heap. Anil makes separately 28 heaps out of that heap of block, and Silpa makes 32 heap, and Nitin makes 42 heap. So Anil, Silpa, and Nitin are making separate heaps out of that heap of block. So Anil makes how many heap? 28. Silpa makes 32, and Nitin makes 42. So after making the separate heap, lastly they find, each of them finds that there is 5 blocks are left. 5 blocks are left after making separate heap. Each of them find that there are 5 blocks left. Okay, 5 blocks left. So we have to find what is the smallest possible number of blocks in the heap. So therefore, the required number of required possible number of blocks will be equal to, first of all we will find the LCM of LCM of all these, because the question is saying what is the smallest. Since in the question there is a smallest, so we have to find the LCM. LCM is lowest. So after finding the LCM of 28, 32 and 42, you have to add 5, because 5 blocks are left. So lastly you have to add 5. So you can find the LCM of all these, and whatever LCM you will get, then add 5 to it. You will get the answer. So now moving to the next question, question number question number 12. In question number 12, there is a separate team of 4, 6 and 11 students. There is a separate team of 4, 6 and 11 students. Okay, are made from a student of a class 3 student. Are made from a student of a class. Okay, from a class. Okay, we are making separate teams. Separate team of 4 students or 6 students and 11 students out of students in a class. Okay, and 3 students are left in each case. In every case, we are making a group of 4 students, group of 6 students, group of 11 students, and in every case, 3 students are left. So we are asked to find what is the smallest possible number of student in the class. So the smallest possible number of the student in the class will be equal to, first of all, find the LCM of all this. LCM of 4, 6 and 11. And whatever the LCM you are getting, add 3 to it. Add 3 to it, and then you will get the required number of students in the class. The required number of a student in class will be equal to, first find LCM of all these 3 and add 3 to it. Okay, now see question number 13. In question number 13, what you have to do, 4 bells ring together. If the bells ring at interval 2, 5, 8 and 10, Second, if the bell, there are 4 bells and they ring at interval 2, 5, 8 and 10 seconds. First bell ring after every 2 seconds, second bell ring after every 5 seconds, third bell ring after every 8 seconds, and fourth bell ring after every 10 seconds. So in this case, you have to find after what interval of time will they ring together again. After what interval of time all the bell will ring together again. So you have to find just LCM of all this. LCM of all this, you will get the answer in question number 30. In question number 14, okay, there are 3 lions and they roar at interval 10, 15 and 20. 10, 15 and 20. Okay. If the lion roar at interval, first lion roar after every 10 minutes, second lion roar after every 15 minutes, and third lion roar after every 20 minutes. So if they all roar together at 10 a.m., at 10 a.m., after what interval they roar together again? After what interval will they roar together again? So in this question you have to find first of all LCM of all the 3 lines. So whatever the LCM you will get, so you can apply 2 5s are 10, 2 15, 2 10s. Now again 3 times 5, 3 5 is 15. After every 15, 12 and 10. 15, 12, it is 12, okay? 12. Okay, 10, 15 and 12. It is 12. So 2 6 are, so 3 5 are 15, 3 2 is again 5 times 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is. Okay. So when you find the LCM, you will get LCM will be equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So after every 1 hour, all the 3 lines roar together. So if they start at 10 a.m., after which interval they will roll together again. So after 1 hour, so after at 11 a.m. So add 1 hour to it. At 11 a.m. they will roll together again. In this way you will solve this problem. So your today's homework will be exercise 13, 11 to 14. Question number 11 to 14. Okay, solve it. And okay, thank you for watching the video.